Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about MessageHub and what is MessageHub. And before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, make sure you go to the description section and sign up for your free trial today. And also, too, there's some really awesome resources in the description section as well. So make sure you check those out also. And so what I want to do is I want to talk about MessageHub. What is it? And actually, I want to read from the support documentation from ClickFunnels as well. And MessageHub is a relatively new feature inside of ClickFunnels. And so what I want to do to help you better use and understand MessageHub, I'll be actually doing a video series on how to get it set up and then also how to use it as well. So this is the first part. Getting started with MessageHub, it says MessageHub is a ClickFunnels CRM solution for managing customer interactions across various platforms by integrating messages from different channels into a single interface. It simplifies your communication workflow and helps you respond more effectively. This article will show you how to set up MessageHub and use its key features to improve your customer interactions, save time, and boost your business relationships. And like I mentioned, I'll be doing video tutorials on how to set up MessageHub and then also how to use MessageHub. So in these videos, I'll also link the support documentation from ClickFunnels. So if you have any questions, you could go to the description section of those videos and then go directly to that specific article. So if we scroll down here, the requirements, you need to make sure that you have a ClickFunnels account, and then you also have the MessageHub app, which we'll talk about. I'll do a separate video on how to add the MessageHub app, so make sure you keep an eye on that in the MessageHub app playlist inside of my YouTube channel. So this is the second part that I just want to cover. This is what is MessageHub. So it says MessageHub is a tool that brings together all your customer conversations in one place. It combines messages from text, email, and social media, making it easier for you to manage and respond to customers quickly. MessageHub helps your team streamline communication processes, improve customer engagement, and ultimately increase customer lifetime value. And some of the key features, MessageHub offers a range of powerful features to streamline your customer communication, including multi-channel inbox management, email chat, social media, team collaboration tools, automated responses and workflows, custom labels for organization, detailed analytics and reporting, integration with webhooks and other tools. And then some of the benefits of using MessageHub: helping you answer customers faster, keeping all customer conversations in one spot, automating routine responses to save time, improving customer satisfaction with quick replies. And then some of the examples that they have, it says customer support, quickly address inquiries across multiple platforms without switching between apps. Sales follow-ups, check in with potential customers at the right time. And then team collaboration, assign conversations to team members and track resolution progress. And so like I mentioned, I'm going to be doing video tutorials on each part of the MessageHub. So adding the MessageHub app, how to use it, how to add your first MessageHub inbox, adding labels, and so forth. So make sure you keep an eye out on the MessageHub app playlist inside of my ClickFunnels YouTube channel. And also, too, if you have any questions about how to use MessageHub or even just specific questions about it, the setup, make sure you comment below those videos so that I could help you out. Or if you like, you could also book a call with me in the description section and I'll help you out there as well. So for right now, that's just a brief overview of MessageHub, what is it, and some of the key features, and also examples of how to use MessageHub so you can start thinking about it for your business. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below or go down to the description section and book a free call with me, and I'd love to help you out.